Is it time to buy or sell iShares Russell 2000 ETF? In this video, we will explore the iShares Russell 2000 in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, click the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 6th of March, 2025, our system has identified iShares Russell 2000 as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.2. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has recorded a loss of -2.02%. This results in an average loss of -0.4% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within the lower range of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor, set at $200.47, be breached, it would initially suggest an accelerated decline. Analyzing the current 3-month trend reveals a potential decrease of approximately 6.89% over the next 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between -7.18% and +3.11%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a change of around 12.99%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 12.86% to 40.81% over the coming year. This projection would place the future price between $226.96 and $283.18. Our latest daily update for iShares Russell 2000 includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for iShares Russell 2000 ETF Price After Wednesday Trading. The iShares Russell 2000 ETF price gained 0.174% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025, rising from $200.75 to $201.10. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 2.1%. Experiencing a day low of $199.55 and a day high of $203.75. The price has decreased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is down by 6.77% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by 14 million shares, with a total of 37 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $7.38 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on higher prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $244.98, while the lowest price was $191.34. Currently, the price is 17.91% or $43.88 below the 52-week high of $244.98, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The iShares Russell 2000 ETF, or IWM, has been experiencing significant volatility recently. As of late February 2025, IWM plunged to a low of $212, marking a 13% drop from its peak this year. This decrease indicates a technical correction amid extreme fear in the market. Analysts suggest that the Fear and Greed Index has shifted to a state of extreme fear, negatively impacting investor sentiment. Conversely, while small-cap stocks hold appeal due to attractive valuations, some analysts prefer alternatives like IJR for potentially better returns. Despite IWM underperforming the S&P 500, it has shown resilience compared to the S&P Small Cap 600 ETF, hinting at a possible recovery. A maintained buy rating implies that lower interest rates could serve as a bullish factor, along with anticipated growth in earnings per share. In the short term, the current fear-driven volatility may suppress prices, creating a cautious market environment. However, the long-term outlook remains optimistic, with projections of an 8% annualized return over the next decade due to IWM's low forward price-to-earnings ratio and an expectation of increased investor interest as conditions stabilize. As market dynamics evolve, IWM may attract more investors seeking growth opportunities amid the looming potential of a recovery in small-cap stocks. The following signals have been identified for iShares Russell 2000. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, March 11, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 0.174%. Further rises are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite the increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price and may serve as an early warning. The exchange-traded fund should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence near-term development. The iShares Russell 2000 ETF currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected from the levels at $204.11 and $219.77. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 16 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for iShares Russell 2000. iShares Russell 2000 finds support from accumulated volume at $200.77. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the fund fluctuated $4.20 between its high and low, which represents a change of 2.1%. In the last week, the ETF experienced a daily average volatility of 2.44%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for iShares Russell 2000. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for iShares Russell 2000 is at $206.47. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, iShares Russell 2000 encounters its first support level at $200.77. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have received a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is iShares Russell 2000 ETF a good buy? iShares Russell 2000 holds several negative signals and is within a wide and falling trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. Our analysis conclusion for this ETF has been upgraded from a strong sell to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 13th of March, we expect iShares Russell 2000 to open higher by approximately 367 cents, starting at $201.47. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.